This review is of Epic Bites, original hunter's recipe venison with beef bites made with 100% grass-fed venison. It is USDA inspected, Whole 30 Foods approved, as well as gluten-free. And that is just about all there is to tell you about that. It's also easy to chew, supposedly. There's the blurb and the nutrition facts. Ingredients. Alright, let's dig in. I don't need my bulletproof glasses. Oh, come on. There we go. A little shearing action forced this thing open. It is both firm but easy to chew. The dominant flavor is black pepper. And honestly, aside from the, I don't know, it's kind of hard to say what it is exactly. Being simultaneously easy to chew but firm. Also dry. Quite dry. And it doesn't taste like venison. At least not my memory of venison. It tastes like black pepper jerky. That's all I can really say about it. Since it's easy to chew, it doesn't have a bunch of sugar. It doesn't have any sugar in it, which is great because we're being destroyed by this sugar industry. It has made us its slaves. We are addicts of sugar, and they keep on increasing the amount of sugar that's getting put in. I mean, now you can find brands of canned vegetables that never used to be canned with sugar are now are canned with sugar. Milk never used to be sold with sugar in it. Now it's being sold with sugar in it, and it's just really insane. There is a lot of sodium, 510 milligrams, if you buy in 6 pieces, basically in 6 pieces. So I think, okay, so it's a little bit of a conflict. As far as flavor is concerned, I give it a 6, but because it doesn't have any sugar in it, I would say that it's worth more than that, so I'll give it a 7. But, you know, it's up to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.